Since the earliest days of aviation, we've been a part of the greatest achievements in air and spaceflight. We were there when America flew to the moon. We helped launch the shuttle era. We helped build the International Space Station. And we are now on Mars. And we want to keep flying, to keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So how do we do that? By inspiring our students to become leaders in aerospace engineering. By encouraging them to push their capabilities as designers and explorers. And by encouraging them to begin their journey the moment they set foot on campus.
The aerospace department here is really great because it gives their students a lot of opportunities to get some really good hands-on experience.
Students get to design and build aircraft, they get to design and build drones. All of the kind of hot topics in space flight or atmospheric flight, you're going to be getting to work on directly here at UT. I never imagined in my wildest dreams that I'd get to work on one spacecraft mission during college. I've worked on 6 spacecraft, real spacecraft that are going to meet real science objectives. None of it's pretend. It's really incredible to get that kind of hands-on experience with real hardware.
Aerospace engineers can literally do anything. They can, of course, go into atmospheric type jobs, and also, the space side, which is, the main one is NASA. That's the one everybody wants.
We have a solid mechanical engineering background, so you can honestly go into anything mechanical. Oil, that's a very common field for aerospace to go into because we learn all the fluid mechanics.
I think that's really the kind of key thing about an aerospace engineer is that you have to be this very multifaceted individual. You have to be kind of a mathematician, a physicist, a computer scientist, electrician, mechanical engineer, all kind of boiled into one person. So the type of job that an aerospace engineer is qualified for, it's really anything you can imagine.
When they're looking through the job database and they see you go to UT, you automatically get moved to a different pile. They know that UT does a lot of hands-on stuff, and that's very important.
People like the US Air Force or the NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory, they're directly seeking people from UT to do their jobs because they know the quality of the student they can expect. We had the integration readiness review with the Air Force Research Laboratory. The point of that review is to check out whether or not we're really ready to build the spacecraft. It's a big deal because most schools fail this and fail this pretty miserably. We were the first school to pass the review on the first try. When we work on a space flight project with them and we're the first university to ever pass one of their most rigorous performance reviews, they know that they want to take students from that program.
If I built something that made it to Mars, that would be beyond imaginable. If I touched something that ended up on another planet. And that's really what this is all about, pushing the boundaries of exploration